Are you wondering whether Kashoo or QuickBooks is better for custom reports? In today's video, we'll break down both software platforms so you can make an informed decision. Stick around, because by the end, I'll share a better alternative that might just blow these two out of the water when it comes to custom reporting. Let's start with Kashoo. Kashoo is a simple, cloud-based accounting software that's aimed at small businesses and entrepreneurs. One of its strengths is the clean, user-friendly interface. However, when it comes to custom reports, Kashoo does have its limitations. You can create basic reports, but the customization options are pretty limited compared to other platforms. You can generate standard reports like income statements and balance sheets, but if you're looking for something more detailed or tailored, you might find it lacking. Next thing is QuickBooks. Now, QuickBooks is one of the most popular accounting software solutions on the market, and for good reason. QuickBooks offers a wide range of customizable reports, from detailed profit and loss statements to specific tax reports. You can even filter reports based on dates, locations, or project types. But here's the catch: the customization options aren't as flexible as they could be, especially in the more affordable versions. QuickBooks Online, for instance, doesn't allow you to fully modify templates, so you're still somewhat restricted in how much you can tweak reports to suit your exact needs. The third thing worth considering is ease of use. Kashoo is known for being intuitive, so if you're just starting out or you don't need highly detailed reports, it's pretty straightforward. QuickBooks, on the other hand, can feel a bit overwhelming if you're not familiar with accounting software. The depth of features it offers is great, but it comes with a steeper learning curve. The fourth thing is pricing. Kashoo offers a very budget-friendly option for basic accounting needs, especially if you're only using it for simple custom reports. But if you need more advanced reporting, you'll likely have to upgrade. QuickBooks, while offering more robust features, comes at a higher price point. The plans with enhanced reporting options are typically more expensive, which may be a factor for small businesses that don't want to break the bank. The last thing to keep in mind is the integrations. QuickBooks wins here hands down. It integrates with a wide range of third-party apps and services, which can be a huge advantage if you need to link your accounting software to other tools. Kashoo, on the other hand, isn't as flexible with integrations. This could be a deal breaker for businesses that need to sync their financial data with other platforms. Now, both Kashoo and QuickBooks are solid choices, but if you're really after a better solution for custom reports, I've tried both, and there's a software out there that offers even more powerful custom report features with less hassle. So, if you want to get access to that, check out the first link in the description for an exclusive free trial. Through that link, you'll get special benefits that aren't available anywhere else. In conclusion, both Kashoo and QuickBooks have their pros and cons when it comes to custom reports. Kashoo is great for simplicity and affordability, but QuickBooks has the edge when it comes to the variety of reports, even if it's a bit more complex and pricey. However, if you're looking for something that delivers even more customization and ease of use, don't forget to check out the alternative I recommend in the description below. You'll get the best free trial and benefits, only available to our viewers.